Hey guys, Prepper in the Woods here, and now is that favorite time in a month, which is subscription box. So the box I'm subscribed to at the moment is RJ Bushcraft. You can find him on Facebook. I'll put some links below in the description box. But so far he's has the best quality monthly boxes you can get. He's going to do a theme again, and the Bushcraft one, which I keep mentioning, that has a lot really good products in that, with the the DIY knife sets and stuff like that. But let's have a dig now on do an unboxing video. I'm not going to gear test it yet. I'm going to do that in following videos. But it's just an opening and showing you what you get in a monthly box. So stay tuned. Right, so bit of paperwork. This is box number 1. Says thank you for subscribing. Each box we receive is packed full of quality useful gear. This month's theme's around prepare. So let's have a look. And then I'm on this side. This is the 55 pound box. He does do a lower box value, and then he also does a 85 pound box value. Let's just have a look here. Right, so the first item here is the winter emergency kit. That's priced up at £20. Cooking tin, fire gel blocks, LED torch, folding cooker, distress whistle, button compass, night light, poncho with hood, hypothermia blanket, mini grip bag, matches, aseptic wipes, drinking pouch, carabiner, pencil, and receiver for fire dragon gel. So quite a lot packed into that little space there, which that's nice. UST playing cards, and that has survival information on the back of the cards. Handmade tinder. I had that in a Bushcraft box, and that's really good. Cap lights, 5 LEDs. Goes to the front of your cap. Batteries included, so you got a bit of a torch there. RAC travel first aid kit, so a small first aid kit. Small little bracelet. I think you just throw that in just for being nice. You got a Anglo Arms hunting and shooting products here. Let's see what we got. Nice little folding knife. Nice and sharp, actually. There you go. It's non-locking. And you got a little bottle opener, flathead screwdriver on it. You got a glass breaker end. And you got like a little seatbelt cutter there. And these lock. That's a nice little knife. And then you have a Anglo Arms utility bag. Capacity 50 litres, weighs 1 kilo. So a really big bag. And that's everything that's in the box. Knife. Yep, so £55. That's not too bad, actually. I mean, I like the playing cards. So that'll be handy for me. That'll be my 3rd folder that I own. So that's not too bad. Tinder's really good. I like the Tinder. I need to do a video on that, actually. And this is quite a compact kit. So I'll do a review of it and then keep it in my car. The bag I want to open and see, but I'll do that off camera. But I just want to give you an idea of what you get for RJ Bushcraft monthly box. As I said, this is January's box. I'll put all the links in the description box below. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.